guys, it's the Girl Curiosa. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be basically a test and product review for the BaByliss Pro Hair Dryer. I decided to pick this up basically because I was very tired of the hair dryer that I have. It was destroying my hair. It's actually this one. I'm pretty sure this is, it's a Conair Infinity Pro. And it's not even mine, it's my friend's, and I've tried giving it back to her and she keeps not meeting up with me. Every time that I've used it, it's just caused so much breakage and damage to my hair, and it doesn't give me soft hair or anything that I expect when I blow dry my hair. It's also missing the little mouth, the nose, or the whatever that front thing is called. Which is probably part of the reason why it's messing up my hair. So I decided to go ahead and get a new hair dryer, and I was looking on the market, and I was researching to see like which one I should get. And I came across this one. I've heard so many great things about BaByliss and their products, and I know that a lot of professionals use it, so I just wanted to go ahead and try it out. Basically, this one is the BaByliss Pro Ceramics Extreme. It's ceramic, so it generates far infrared heat, gently dries the hair from the inside and out. It creates smooth and silky hair to eliminate frizz, and apparently it retains the hair's luster. It has 2,000 watts, has an AC motor, comfortable and stylish rubberish housing. I guess that's just the outside. Okay, so it has a 6-speed heat setting combination, has a removable easy filter, a narrow barrel for maximum air pressure, and a micro concentrator nozzle. Yeah, so let's open it up. Let's see what they got going on in here. By the way, I shipped it from Amazon and they got it here so fast because I needed it right before I went on vacation, so yay! Okay, so it comes with an instruction guide, which oh, it's kind of small. Well, it's probably like the same size as this one. Okay, so I definitely like that it's like matte. Pretty cool. Seems like it's good material. This seems pretty strong here. Okay, seems like a regular hair dryer. And it seems like it just comes with the nozzle. Okay, so really easy does it. Alright, here it is. So basically I am on day, it's probably been over a week since I washed my hair. It's super dirty, but I didn't want to do it until I got the hair dryer, so I finally got it. So I'm gonna test it out and wash my hair. And for those of you who don't know, I have naturally curly, frizzy hair. It's not like fake, it's super curly, it's unruly, and sometimes it stresses me out, which is why I go for hair drying occasionally. I don't do it too often, just because I don't like destroying my hair, because no matter what, when you put heat on your hair, it still messes it up. So yeah, just gonna go ahead and let's get on with it. I'm just going to throw in some heat protectant spray, and I'm going to use a regular barrel brush to blow dry my hair. So yeah, here we go. guys, so this is the finished product. I'm really happy with how it came out. It's really soft. It feels so much healthier than my other hair dryers. So if I were to recommend this, I definitely would. And thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!